Okay, let's talk about comparison of intonation patterns, formal and informal styles in English and Ukrainian languages. Um, First of all, we have to mention their main idea, main goal of information, of formal or informative style in English, because the same idea in as in Ukrainian. Um, the goal of informative or formal style is always to supply information and facts to the audience. This information can come in the form of statistic, facts, or other form of evidence. Informational speeches do not tell people what to do with the information. Their goal is for the audience to have and understand the information. Academic lectures are often informational speeches because their professor is attempting to present facts so the students can understand them. Also, it may be um, overdrawn and boring. The goal is not the goal of formal speaking and formal intonation is not to excite the audience members, but rather to provide them with knowledge which they didn't know before. And informal style typically uses in everyday life. It's a way of communication between people. Um, and it is more emotional and actually it is unprepared speech. Um, so it can excite. It have to excite your partner, and sometimes it may influence here in such way. Um, these two types are similar in English and Ukrainian. So next one is tonation patterns in declamatory style. First of all, declamatory style, the emotion play a big role. The speaker's aim is to appeal simultaneously to the mind. There will feelings of the listener by image bearing devices. Declamatory style is generally acquired by special training, and it is used, for instance, in stage speech, classroom recitation, word speaking, or in reading aloud fictions. Mm. Actually, there is a type of public speaking, um, and also the very best example of using correct intonation in public speaking is a politician speech, because they have to uh, use only correct intonation for influence to influence people, and you can see more information about it in my report. Practical use of phonetic phenomena. You can see a good example in my report of using dialogue with all tones and storage syllable. Intonation patterns in broadcasting and academic discourse and politician speech. I say that here is a main idea to emphasize the most important information, and here is a good example of politician speech. Emerson classification. Actually, there are 6 basic emotions: anger, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. Each emotion acts as a discrete category rather than an individual emotional state. I watched a video, and I propose you to watch it. In this video, you can see how emotions and how emotions influence our intonation in any speech. So I wrote in my report about 5 emotions. It's sad, excited, desperate, happy, and angry. And more you can see in a video. Thank you.